Leaf blowers are essential tools for keeping lawns, patios, driveways, and gardens clean and free from leaves and debris. The best leaf blowers combine strong airflow, lightweight designs, comfortable handling, and reliable performance for efficient outdoor cleanup. In this guide, we explore the top 5 best leaf blowers that offer powerful cleaning performance, convenience, and durability for homeowners and gardening enthusiasts. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER LB700 Electric Leaf Blower. The BLACK+DECKER LB700 Electric Leaf Blower is a lightweight and efficient tool, designed to simplify yard cleanup tasks. Powered by a reliable electric motor, it delivers strong airflow for clearing leaves, grass clippings, and debris from driveways, sidewalks, patios, and lawns. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and operate for extended periods without fatigue. The corded electric system provides continuous power without the need for charging or refueling, ensuring consistent performance throughout cleanup sessions. Featuring a built-in cord retention system, it helps prevent accidental unplugging during use. Quiet operation and low maintenance make it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a practical and affordable solution for keeping outdoor spaces clean and tidy. Number 4. DEWALT DCB-L720-B Leaf Blower. The DEWALT DCB-L720-B Leaf Blower combines cordless convenience with powerful airflow performance for professional quality yard maintenance. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers strong air volume and speed for quickly clearing leaves and debris. The cordless battery-powered design allows unrestricted movement around gardens, driveways, and outdoor spaces without dealing with extension cords. Its ergonomic handle and lightweight construction provide comfortable handling and reduced fatigue during extended use. Variable speed control gives users better precision for different cleanup tasks. Quiet operation makes it suitable for residential areas while maintaining impressive power. Durable and reliable. The DEWALT DCB-L720-B is an excellent option for homeowners and professionals looking for efficient cordless leaf blowing performance. Number 3. WORX WG520 Electric Leaf Blower. The WORX WG520 Electric Leaf Blower is designed for powerful and efficient yard cleanup with advanced airflow technology. Featuring a high-performance electric motor, it produces strong airspeed capable of clearing large amounts of leaves and debris quickly. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to maneuver around patios, sidewalks, driveways, and lawns. The turbine fan technology delivers enhanced airflow while maintaining energy efficiency. Multiple speed settings allow users to adjust blowing power based on different cleaning tasks and service types. Since it operates with corded electric power, users benefit from continuous operation without battery limitations. Durable, easy to use, and highly effective. The WORX WG520 is a dependable solution for everyday outdoor maintenance. Number 2. EGO Power Plus LB6D151 Leaf Blower. The EGO Power Plus LB6D151 Leaf Blower offers high-performance cordless operation with impressive power and modern convenience. Equipped with a brushless motor and advanced battery system, it delivers strong airflow capable of handling heavy leaves, dirt, and debris with ease. The variable speed trigger and turbo boost mode provide greater control and maximum blowing force when needed. Lightweight construction and ergonomic design improve comfort during longer cleanup sessions. Quiet operation and zero emissions make it an environmentally friendly alternative to gas-powered blowers. The weather-resistant build ensures dependable outdoor performance in different conditions. Ideal for homeowners and landscaping tasks. The EGO Power Plus LB6D151 combines powerful performance. Number 1. MZK-LF40D13 Cordless Leaf Blower. The MZK-LF40D13 Cordless Leaf Blower is a compact and user-friendly tool, designed for fast and convenient outdoor cleaning. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers cordless freedom for clearing leaves, dust, and debris from gardens, patios, garages, and sidewalks. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and operate with minimal fatigue, while the ergonomic handle improves comfort and control. Despite its compact size, the blower delivers strong airflow for effective cleanup performance. Quiet operation makes it suitable for residential use without causing excessive noise. Easy assembly and simple controls allow beginners and homeowners to use it effortlessly. Practical, portable, and efficient. The MZK LF40D13 is an excellent choice for everyday yard maintenance and quick outdoor cleaning tasks.